to show you how to edit your YouTube intro in CapCut, right? So today click on text and click here at text, and you can write in anything. The TIM times of India I have written, and you can change the font style. Any font you can choose from here. So I'm choosing this Times of India font, interact black, and I'm choosing animation. Okay, I chose this animation. Okay, now I'm intro audio. You can choose. Okay, I add this here from here, and I will copy this long audio and I do fade out here and put, and now now you can make your YouTube intro easily. So